Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Infiniti Q50 key fob. First, you'll need a new CR2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. Having the right tools ready makes the process smooth and prevents any fumbling. This simple preparation saves time and ensures you can clearly see each step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of the casing. Gently insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a careful twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Take your time here to avoid damaging the plastic casing. It should open with minimal force. Once open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This is crucial for proper function. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Now, it's time to test your key fob. Head to your Infiniti Q50 and check if the lock and unlock functions work correctly. If everything operates as expected, you've successfully replaced your battery. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.